Today we're going to be changing the crankshaft position sensor on the 2.5 liter Volkswagen engine. This is in the Jetta, Golf, and Passat. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and jack your vehicle up. Make sure you use jack stands. So the tools you're going to need for this job, you're going to need a ratchet, a 6-inch extension, a 4mm hex bit, and a flathead screwdriver. And now we can go underneath the vehicle. And majority of you will still have a cover under here. And those are going to be T20 bolts you're going to have to remove. I believe there's 10 of them. Then just drop your cover down. And we'll come right over here. That is our crankshaft position sensor. We can go ahead and follow this wire back right up to that connector. And we'll go ahead and start with that connector. So you can go ahead and grab this connector and you're going to pull it off this bracket. And you have this little clip right here that you're going to slide back. And then your connector will come undone. Now next, you got this little clip here. It's just holding your wire in place. Go ahead and open it up. Pull your wire down. And grab your flathead screwdriver. You'll be able to pop this right open. Now we can see right where the crank position sensor is. You have those 2 bolts that we're going to have to remove. Now you can grab your sensor and pull it out. Now grab your new sensor. Push it into place and reinstall your bolts. And go ahead and snug your bolts up. Make sure you don't over tighten them. You don't want to break the plastic on the sensor. Now grab your wire, clip that back in. Put it back up in that little holder and reconnect your connector. Make sure you hear it clip and go ahead and reinsert it in this bracket. Push it into place, and that completes the crankshaft position sensor. So a quick little easy job you can do for yourself, save yourself some money. If this helped you out, if you could give the video a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I do have more videos on the Volkswagen, the 2.5 liter, and many other videos of other vehicles.